This is Priyanka. Today we are going to learn a concept of multiplication. First we will see that how multiplication works. First I will tell you the rule for the multiplication. What is the rule? Number in each group multiplied by or times number of groups, which is equal to your answer, and your answer is simply called as product. I will take one example for this. First, if you have buy 3 packets of biscuits, each packet consists of 5 biscuits. How many biscuits in total will be there? Therefore, we have to work out on this rule. Number in each group. There are 5 biscuits in each group or each packets. Therefore, we will write it as 5. And number of groups. How many groups are there or how many packets are there? There are 3 packets. That is 5 into 3 means what? 5 plus 5 plus 5, which is equal to 15. This 3 is called as multiplicand and 5 is called as multiplier, and this 15 is called as product. Even if we interchange this multiplicand and multiplier, the result will be same, and this is called as commutative property in multiplication. Means multiplication is repetitive addition. We are adding 5 here 3 times, that is this is the repetitive addition. Now we will see some tricks in multiplication. First trick, if we multiply any number by 0, we always get 0. We will see some examples on this. First example, 5 into 0 equal to 0, 100 into 0 equal to 0, 1000 into 0 equal to 0. As we see, even if we exchange this multiplicand and multiplier, we will get the same results. That is 0 into 5 equal to 0, 0 into 100 equal to 0, and 0 into 1000 equal to 0. Now we will see second trick on multiplication. That is, if we multiply any number by 1, we always get the number itself. Consider examples. 5 into 1, which is equal to 5, 100 into 1, which is equal to 100, 1000 into 1, which is equal to 1000. Even if we exchange this multiplicand and multiplier, that is 1 into 5, we will get 5. That is, we will get the same result. Now, we will see some 2-digit multiplication. Consider one example. Multiply 64 into 2. First, we will arrange these numbers in terms of place value columns, such as tens place value and this is units place value. Arrange this number 64 into 2. Here we will need the multiplication table for 2. That is, we know that 2 into 1 equal to 2, 2 into 2 equal to 4, 2 into 3 which is equal to 6, 2 into 4 equal to 8, 2 into 5 equal to 10, 2 into 6 equal to 12, 2 into 7 equal to 14, 2 into 8 equal to 16, 2 into 9 equal to 18, and 2 into 10 which is equal to 20. Now first multiply this units place column. 2 into 4 which is equal to 8, and then multiply 2 into 6 which is equal to 12. Therefore 64 into 2 equal to 128. Now we will see another example of multiplication over carrying over. Multiply 64 into 3. Arrange them tens place, units place. Leave this one row for the carrying over digits. 64 into 3. We will need the table for multiplication table for 3. That is 3 into 1 equal to 3, 3 into 2 equal to 6, 3 into 3 equal to 9, 3 equal to 4, 3 into 4 equal to 12, 3 into 5 equal to 15, 3 into 6 equal to 18, 3 into 7 equal to 21, 3 into 8 equal to 24, 3 into 9 equal to 27, and 3 into 10 equal to 30. First we will multiply this units place column. 3 into 4, which is equal to 12. Write this 2 in the units place column and carry this over 1 over tens place column. Then multiply this. 3 into 6 equal to 18 and add this carry over 1, that is 18 plus 1 equal to 90. Therefore, we get 64 into 3 equal to 192. This is all about multiplication. Today we have learnt about how multiplication works, two tricks about multiplication, and how this two-digit multiplication is carried over. Thank you so much.